Common problems people face while speaking English. 1. Limited vocabulary. They don't know enough words to express themselves. They pause or get stuck while speaking. 2. Grammar confusion. Difficulty using tenses correctly. Sentence structure becomes incorrect or unorganized. 3. Thinking in native language first. They think in Hindi, Punjabi and then translate into English. This slows down speaking and reduces fluency. 4. Incorrect pronunciation. Words are not pronounced clearly or naturally. Tone and accent may sound unsure. 5. Lack of confidence. Fear of making mistakes. Worry about what others will think. 6. Less practice. Speaking is not practiced daily, so improvement is slow. Only writing won't help without speaking. 7. No English-speaking environment. Home or workplace mainly uses Hindi Punjabi. There are fewer opportunities to speak. 1. Limited vocabulary, 10 sentences. 1. I want to speak, but I don't know enough words. 2. Sometimes I stop speaking because a word is missing. 3. I think of a word, but I can't remember it quickly. 4. I know the idea, but I cannot express it nicely. 5. My speech breaks because my vocabulary is weak. 6. I want to speak fluently, but words don't come. 7. I read new words, but I forget them while speaking. 8. I depend on simple words only. 9. I repeat the same words again and again. 10. I get nervous when I don't know the right word. 2. Grammar confusion, 10 sentences. 1. I mix tenses while speaking. 2. I am not sure when to use has or have. 3. I make mistakes with past and present forms. 4. I know grammar rules but forget them while speaking. 5. My sentence structure becomes incorrect. 6. I sometimes put words in the wrong order. 7. I am unsure about articles like a and the. 8. I struggle to use izama correctly. 9. I speak fast and grammar errors happen. 10. I understand grammar but can't apply it instantly. 3. Thinking in native language first, 10 sentences. 1. I think in Hindi first and then convert to English. 2. Translation takes time and breaks fluency. 3. I speak slowly because my mind is translating. 4. My English sounds unnatural due to translation. 5. I get confused while converting sentences. 6. I forget the sentence in the middle of speaking. 7. My ideas flow in Hindi, not in English. 8. I cannot speak continuously because of translation. 9. I pause to find English words in my head. 10. I want to think in English directly, but it's hard. 4. Pronunciation issues, 10 sentences. 1. I know the word but pronounce it incorrectly. 2. People ask me to repeat because they don't understand. 3. My pronunciation is influenced by my local accent. 4. I hesitate to speak unfamiliar words. 5. Some words sound difficult to say. 6. I am unsure where to stress a word. 7. Fast speaking reduces clarity. 8. English sounds different from how it's written. 9. I avoid difficult words while speaking. 10. I want clearer and sharper pronunciation. Dash. 5. Lack of confidence. 10 sentences. 1. I fear making mistakes. 2. I feel shy speaking in front of others. 3. I worry people might laugh at me. 4. I want to speak but lose courage. 5. I avoid conversations due to hesitation. 6. I feel nervous speaking to fluent speakers. 7. My voice becomes low while speaking English. 8. I think too much before speaking. 9. I stop speaking if someone interrupts me. 10. I want confidence like fluent speakers. Dash. 6. Less practice. 10 sentences. 1. I do not get enough speaking practice. 2. I read English but rarely speak it. 3. My improvement is slow without practice. 4. Practice is needed to speak naturally. 5. I forget what I learn because I don't use it. 6. I want daily speaking routine. 7. Practice builds fluency step by step. 8. Without practice, vocabulary is useless. 9. I need real conversation practice. 10. Practice is the key to improvement. Dash. 7. No English speaking environment. 10 sentences. 1. People around me speak Hindi Punjabi mostly. 2. I don't have anyone to speak English with. 3. My environment does not support English speaking. 4. I understand English but rarely use it. 5. I cannot improve without conversation. 6. I get fluent only when I speak regularly. 7. No practice partner reduces progress. 8. I want English-speaking surroundings. 9. I try to speak but no response comes in English. 10. Environment plays a big role in fluency.